Pier and stilt homes require tailored pest prevention on day one of construction to block unique access points and moisture pockets. Start by planning rodent-proof skirting that attaches to the foundation and extends to the ground with no gaps. Use rigid materials like fiber, cement, or pressure-treated plywood, backed by a continuous strip of hardware cloth at the soil line to stop burrowing. Seal all underfloor utility penetrations with high-density foam followed by a mesh and sealant layer so pipes and conduits do not become pathways. Design for continuous airflow under the floor by placing intake and exhaust vents strategically and avoid blocking them with insulation so that moisture does not accumulate and attract termites and fungus. Add metal flashing where the pier column meets wooden framing to prevent chewing and climbing by rodents and to make access for insect tunneling harder. Include details and plans to discourage bird and bat roosting under eaves by using angled soffit materials and installing netting or baffles in likely spots. Birds and bats increase guano and parasite loads that attract other pests. Specify robust crawlspace access covers that lock and seal flush to framing to keep larger animals out and make periodic inspections simple. Common mistakes start with leaving small gaps around utilities thinking they are too tiny for pests. Tape does not last, so use layered foam, mesh, and sealant that hold up to movement. Another frequent issue is over-insulating and blocking underfloor vents, which creates a humid environment that invites termites and mold. Maintain clear airflow paths and use hygrometers for monitoring rather than assuming dryness. Finally, builders often omit durable skirting or use untreated materials that degrade quickly, creating entry points. Invest in rot-resistant, non-chewable panels and anchor them to concrete anchors or metal channels so the barrier remains effective over time. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors experienced in elevated home construction and pest prevention, so we make finding the right tradespeople easier. We also help contractors find work and discuss tactics in our active discussion community where we share field experience and construction details.